Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in a scenery into your eyes on CapCut PC. So add in a picture or a video, and then you're going to search for a video to add on to your eyes. So for instance, I want to be able to see like the city, or actually maybe this will be a little bit cooler. Go to mask and select circle, and you're just going to adjust it to the eye shape. So I'm just going to make it a little bit more oval, and we are going to feather that out. If it's too much, we are just going to basically resize it down a little bit just to kind of mesh with the eye shape. As you can see, there's still a little bit too much on the edges, so you're just going to feather it just a little bit. Maybe like 3% is fine. Go back to basic then and go to blend mode and select the blend mode that you think suits the picture the best. So you have like these cool ones, like this color dodge one, to add in more effects to your eyes. I think this is another great way to change the color of your eyes. If you do have lighter eyes, it's going to be easier. If you want to add in like a scenery of some sort, you can also do that, like this one right here. Again, scale it up, feather it. This is a lot. And we are going to squash it a little bit, then go back to basic, and you are going to choose stuff like overlay and like hard light. It's just totally up to you which kind of blend mode that you want for it. Maybe like this darkened one looks good enough, and it will display this like video into the eyes. Okay, that is not that long. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!